Checkpoint5A, Scientific Notation, Problem 19. 4.25 times 10 to the third times 2 times 10 to the fifth.
So what this problem is asking us to do is to multiply this term by this term using multiplication. How we're going to do this is that we have to multiply the coefficients 4.25 by 2, the base and their exponents 10 to the power of 3 and 10 to the power of 5. So 4.25
times 2 would equal 8.5. And then you would have to multiply the exponents.
One thing that many students get wrong is that the law of exponents states that when you have two of the same base, you have to add their exponents, not multiply them. So, in this case, we will not be multiplying the exponents. We will be actually adding them, based according to the law of exponents. So, we keep the bases the same, which is 10, but with the exponents, we have 5 plus 3, which equals
8. And then that becomes the exponent. So 10 to the power of 8 and 8.5. And then now you combine them to make 8.5 times 10 to the 8th. And now you would have to, in order to double check that, you would have to expand the two equations at the top
into standard notation. How we're going to do this is that we have to look at the exponents to see how much spaces we move to the right. In this case, we moved 3 spaces. So 1, 2, 3, and that gets us 4.4250. And we have 5 spaces to the right. So 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and when we multiply them, let's use the calculator.
Four, 250 times 0. And that would equal
8.5.
85
with 8 zeros, and as you can see, that is the same. This is the same
as if you were to expand this problem.
This is standard notation form, the solution for the multiplication of 4,250 times 200,000. And if you were to write this in scientific notation, you have 8.5 times 10 to the 8th, and that is how we know we got the problem correctly.